Hello guys, I am Alisha Lakhani, and in today's lecture we are gonna study the nerve supply of the scalp and as well as the lymphatic drainage of scalp. Now firstly we'll describe the nerve supply of scalp. The scalp is supplied by 10 nerves. Okay, so there is a sensory supply and a motor supply. So there are two supplies for the scalp. The sensory supply on each side of midline is supplied by 8 sensory nerves. So there are 8 sensory nerves. If we see each side of the midline, that is in each side there are 8 sensory nerves. So 4 are in front of the auricle and the 4 in the behind the auricle. So here if we see in the diagram, this is the diagram, you can see 4 nerves in front of the auricle, that is ear. Auricle is ear के anterior side front में 4 nerves है. There are 4 nerves, that is supratrochlear, supraorbital, zygomaticotemporal and auriculotemporal, as you can see in the diagram. And the 4 are behind the auricle, that is auricle के पीछे posteriorly. So that is great auricular nerve, lesser occipital nerve, greater occipital nerve and third occipital nerve. So now when you are seeing the sensory nerves behind the auricle, the location of the auricle, like the location of the nerves is the greater auricle at C2 C3 level of the cervical plexus, right? Lesser occipital at C2, greater occipital at C2 and third occipital at C3. Now the supratrochlear and supraorbital are the branch of the frontal nerve, which is the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve. The frontal nerve is the ophthalmic division of trigeminal nerve. Now when I talk of trigeminal nerve, there are 3 divisions: ophthalmic, maxillary and mandibular. Ophthalmic goes to the eye, maxillary goes to the maxilla and mandibular goes to the mandible. So this we'll see in the face part, but here you have to just remember that the supratrochlear and supraorbital are the branch of frontal nerve, which are the ophthalmic division of the trigeminal nerve, whereas the zygomaticotemporal is the branch of zygomatic nerve, which is the maxillary division of trigeminal nerve, and auriculotemporal is itself a branch of the mandibular division of trigeminal nerve. Now coming on to the motor nerves, the motor nerves are supplied by like the motor nerve on each side of the midline are supplied by 2 motor nerves. One is in front of the ear and one is on the behind the ear. The front of the ear is the temporal branch of facial nerve, whereas one that is behind the ear, that is posterior auricular branch of facial nerve. So here again you can see in the diagram the temporal branch of the facial nerve and the posterior auricular branch of the facial nerve. Now coming to the lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic drainage, the anterior part drains into the preauricular or the parotid lymph nodes, that is situated on the parotid gland. So the anterior part जो scalp का है, that is draining into the preauricular or the parotid lymph nodes, whereas the posterior part is draining into the posterior auricular or mastoid and the occipital lymph nodes. So here ends the nerve supply and lymphatics. In the next lecture we are going to cover the clinicals, and that will end the scalp. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. Also comment down whatever doubts you have and follow us on Instagram, Facebook. Thank you.